Hi, this is Raghuram, Aptitude Trainer. Welcome back. Time and work problems. In the previous video, we have seen some problems. Let us see some more types of problems. Now, let us take another problem. A can complete a piece of work in 40 days. He worked it for 5 days and then B completed the remaining work in 21 days. In how many days can A and B complete the work together? So, what is the question? A and B. Days and efficiency. A can complete a piece of work in 40 days. Here B's work is not given directly. In this type of problems, first we take temporarily 40 units. Total work temporarily 40 units of work. And what is the efficiency? 41s are 40. So he can complete in one day, he can complete only 1 unit. So 41s 40. And now what is given? He worked it for 5 days. So A worked for 5 days. Working 1 unit per day, he can complete 5 units in 5 days. So total 40 units of work, 5 units. So what is left? 35 units of work is left. Now what is given? The remaining work, that is 35 units, B can complete in 21 days. So total work he can complete in how many days? Total work means total 40 units. 35 units in 21 days, 40 units in how many days? So question mark upper is what? 21 into reciprocal, that is 40 by 35. What's the cancellation? 5 8s, 5 7s, 7 3s. 3 8s are 24. So B can complete the total work in 24 days. I told you 40 units total work, 40 units is temporary. Now we take the actual one. So we remove this one. We need to find total work, how many units. So 40, 24, LCM. We have a shortcut. If the bigger number is 40 and 40 is not divisible by 24, 40 plus 40 is what? 80. 80 is not divisible by 24. Again plus 40, 120. 120 is divisible by 24. So 120 is the LCM of 40 and 24. So simply we can do without doing the LCM, the general LCM. So 40 and 24, the bigger number 40. 40 plus 40, 80 is not divisible. 80 plus 40, 120 is divisible. So directly we can say 120. If we practice like this, within seconds, fraction of seconds, we can say the LCM. Now the total work is 120 units. So 40, 43 is 120 and 24, 5 is 120. So A plus B's total work in one day, they can complete in 8 units. A can complete one day 3 units and B can complete 1 day 5 units. Combinedly they can complete 8 units per day. And now total units are 120. Each day they can complete 8 units. So what's the cancellation? 8 15s 120. The answer is 15 days. Let us take another problem, 7th one. After A has completed 1/3 of a piece of work in 4 days, B can complete the rest of the work in 16 days. In how many days A and B complete the work together? Here both work is not given. A can complete 1/3 of the work in how many days? 4 days. So 4 3s are 12 days. Directly we can find the remaining work. What's the remaining work? 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2/3 of the work is left. The remaining work, B complete the work in 16 days. 1/3 of the work complete to 4 days. That is 4 into reciprocal is 3. 4 is 12. We have already taken. Here 16 days. 2/3 of the work. Reciprocal is 3 by 2. So what's the answer? 2 8s. 8 3s are 24. So this is the first part of the problem. We need to find A's work and B's work. A can complete 1/3 of the work in 4 days. 4 3s are 12. And the remaining work, that is 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2/3 of the work, 16 days. So total work 24 days. Now the second part is 12 and 24. What is the LCM? Directly we can write 24 units. The LCM of 12 and 24, we have a shortcut method. What's the bigger number? 24. 24 is exactly divisible by 12. So 24 is the LCM. Now the efficiency, 12 2s 24, 24 1s 24. And both the work is 2 plus 1 is 3. First we need to take the addition of efficiency. That is, A can complete one day 2 units, B can complete one day 1 unit. So both complete 3 units per day. And what is the question? In how many days A and B complete that work? So total 24 units. They can complete one day 3 units. What is the cancellation? 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 8 days. Let us see next problem, 8th one. A work can be done by A and B in 12 days and 15 days respectively. They worked alternate days starting with A. In how many total number of days did the wall get built? Here the work is building a wall. And what is given? A's and B's work, days and efficiency we have to take. 12 days and 15 days. 12 and 15. Common thing in every problem, 12 and 15. What is the LCM? Directly we can write 60 units if we practice. 12 and 15, shortcut. The bigger number is 15. 15 is not divisible by 12. 15 plus 15, 30 is not divisible by 12. 30 plus 15, 45 is not divisible by 12. 45 plus 15, 60 is divisible by 12. If we practice like this within fraction of seconds, we can find the LCM. And 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So total A plus B's work in one day is 9 units of work. A can complete 5 units per day, B can complete 4 units per day. A plus B's total work, so in one day they can complete 9 units of work. The work alternate days, that is, in 2 days they can complete 9 units. Alternate days starting with A. First day A complete 5 units, second day B complete 4 units. In 2 days they can complete 9 units. Total 60 units. First 60 by fraction. So what do we get? 9 units per day. Per 2 days 9 units. So total work is 60. 60 by 9. So what do we get? 9 6 are 54 and what is left is 6 by 9. In this type of alternate days problems, first we take 2 days work, 9 units, and 60 by 9 is 6 by 9. Take mixed fraction. Now leave about this mixed fraction as of now, and 6 into 2 days. 6 into 2 days is 12 days. In 12 days they have completed some part of the work. What is left? 6 by 9 units. Out of 9 units, how many units left? 6 units left. So after working alternate days A and B for 12 days, how much work is left? 6 units of work is left. Starting with A. In 13th day, A can complete 5 units. And what is left here? 1 unit. And 1 unit next day B will do. So what do you get? 13 days and 1 unit is left, so 1 by 4. So the answer is 13 1 by 4 days. Another problem, 9th one. A wall can be built by A and B alone in 10 days and 15 days respectively. They worked alternate days starting with A. Similar problem here in this case. A and B, A can complete in 10 days, B can complete in 15 days. Whenever the questions are given like this, common thing, 10 days, 15 days, the LCM is 30 units. If you practice directly, you can write 10 and 15. 15, bigger number is 15. 15 is not divisible by 10. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 is divisible by 10. So that is the answer. 10 3s, 15 2s. So 3 plus 2, 5. They together complete in 1 day 5 units of work. Starting with A till the half of the wall was built. Half of the wall, that is 15 units over half of the wall is total 30 units. If you take total 30 units, 15 units, half of the wall means 15 units. So till the half of the work they worked alternate days. So in 2 days they can complete 2 days 5 units of work they can complete. So 15, half of the work, that is 15 by 5 is 3 into 2 days. So alternate, because it is alternate days, we take 3 into 2, that is 6 days. Half of the work they can complete in 6 days. And what is left here? 15 units of work is left, and the remaining work B left and A alone completed the remaining work, working every day thereafter. So remaining 15 units A alone completed. So A and complete in 1 day 3 units of work, 15 units, 15 total 15. What is the remaining work? 15 units divided by, each day he can complete 3 units, 15 by 3, that is 3 5s, 5 days. So first alternate days, half of the work can be completed by A and B together 6 days. Remaining half of the work, 15 units, A alone complete in 5 days. What is the question? In how many total number of days did the wall get built? Total number of days. Alternate days they completed 6 days, and remaining work A can complete in 5 days. So total 11 days completed. So the answer is 11 days. Let's take next problem, 10th one. A is thrice as good as worksman as B, and therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Working together they can do it in how many days? This is a different problem. What is given? A and B. A is days and efficiency. Days are not given. So A's efficiency, what is given? Thrice as good as worksman as B. So A's efficiency is 3 and B's efficiency is 1. Here in this case, efficiency's ratio is 3:1. Then reciprocal, the days ratio is 1:3. So we take the reverse of this one. So we need to days. Now A's days and B's days. So efficiency is 3:1. This is efficiency's ratio 3:1. Days ratio is the reverse, 1:3. We need to find ratio of days. What is given? A can complete 60 days less than B. Now 60. What's the difference of these two? 2. If 2 is 60, here the days difference is 60, ratio's difference is 2. Total, we need to find what is the first one part. And what is given? 60 into reciprocal 1 by 2. So 2 30s. 30 days. And A's work is 30 days. And 33's 90 days. Now, if we take the efficiency, what is the total number of units? 90 units. Because 30 and 90, what is the LCM? 90 units. 90. 33's 90, 91's 90. What's the bigger number? To find the LCM shortcut way, 30 and 90. What's the bigger number? 90. 90 is exactly divisible by 30. So directly we can take LCM is 90. 33's 90, 91's 90. Now we need to find A and B's together work. 3 plus 1 is 4. Total units 90 units divided by 4. What's the cancellation? 2 2's 2 45's. 45 by 2 is 22 and half. So they together complete the work in 22 and half. Dot. Let us see next problem, 11th one. A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Working together they will complete the same work in. Till now we have seen only 2 persons here, 3 persons. Same method A, B, C. Take days and efficiency. What is given? A can complete 24 days and B in 6 days, C in 12 days. Now here we need to find LCM of 24, 6 and 12. Here also same method, shortcut method. Take the bigger number 24. Check whether 24 is divisible by both 6 and 12. Here 24 is divisible by 6 and 12 both, so we take 24 as an LCM. If 24 is not divisible by both, we have to take double of 24, that is 48. But here in this case 24 is divisible, so we take LCM directly 24. Now what is LCM? 24 ones are 24, 6 fours are 24, 12 twos are 24. So together efficiency A plus B plus C, 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. A can complete one day 1 unit, B can complete one day 4 units, C can complete one day 2 units. That is efficiency. Now all the 3 can complete one day 7 units of work. Total 24 units. So 24 by 7 is the answer. And further we can also take 24 by 7. 7 3s are 21. What is left? 3. 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 days they can complete. In the options in the competitive exams, the options they may give you 24 by 7 or 3 by 7. So keep in mind. Let us see next problem. A and B can do a piece of work in 20 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 12 days. Working together, in how many days will they finish the work? Here it's also a different problem. A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Days and efficiency. A and B can do a piece of work in 20 days. Together A plus B is 20 and B plus C is 15 and C plus A is 12. Here also take LCM 20, 15, 12. LCM is 60. I can say directly 60 units. If you practice, you can also say within fraction of seconds. What's the bigger number? 20. 20 is not divisible by 15 and 12. So 20 plus 20 is 40. But 40 is also not divisible by 15 and 12. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 is divisible by 15 as well as 12. So 60 is the LCM. 23s, 15 fours, 12 5s. So is the LCM of combined LCM. A plus B combinedly they can complete 3 units per day, and B plus C combinedly they can complete 4 units per day. C plus A combinedly they can complete 5 units per day. So addition of these 3, what do you get? 2 into A plus B plus C. Efficiency 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. Here double of A plus B plus C. We need single number A plus B plus C. Here half of it. Double efficiency is 12. One efficiency is half of 12, that is 6. Total how many units? 60 units. A plus B plus C combinedly they can complete each day 6 units. So total 60 units by each day 6 units. That is 6 10s are. So they can complete together, they can complete in 10 days. Next video we shall see some more problems in time and work. Okay, thank you for watching.